the value of that revenue is zero. Yes, pretty much zero. Don't think of it as when you're making the calculation. Now, someone bought, so there was 2.5 million, basically 500, let's say 1 million revenue was through the car wash, and about 700K profit was through the rest of the labor business, right? So the person bought it for 1 million, he basically bought it for 5 million. No, the total profit was 600-700K. So I'm sorry, the total profit was 600-700K, and the person bought it for $500,000, for $5 million. This is stupid. Obviously, the person will start to get either a lot of headache. He's a doctor. By the way, the one who bought it is a doctor. He has to stop going to that. I'm not going to give you the name of the car wash because that is private information, right? But I know that the owner is a doctor.